hate to drop her.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it's not like she hasn't fallen down at once. We gotta get back.
What?
Come on, Nate.
I need to find.
Should I come down? And then we'll go back to back? Jude, get back. Your dog looks like an axe murderer, by the way.
Is he all bloody?
Yeah. It'd probably hurt if Jude fell on you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Hey, can you tuck your shirt in? Put her inside your shirt?
Put my shirt in, put it inside my shirt.
Like put her inside your shirt so her head's coming out where your head is. Tuck your shirt in.
That's a pretty good idea.
I'm kind of a problem solver.
How am I going to get her in? Oh, good. Oh, hi. This is good. This is perfect, dude. That was a good idea, bro.
Get back, Jude.
Oh, hi. Tuck my shirt in a little bit here. Can you grab her?
Yeah.
Or grab me?
Yeah. One of the two.
I'm good. Oh, hey. There's more of that barbed wire. Get down, Rowdy. I'm stuck on something.
Hey, what are you doing, dummy?
I'm sure I deal with him.